Celebrate peace.
Why might we want to celebrate peace at the school assembly?
One place to find the answer to this question is in our UWC vision.
The UWC vision is to make education a force to unite people, cultures, and nations for peace and sustainable future.
So, we can see that peace is important to UWC. This is why the Year 6 students would like to show you how we think about peace. To begin our celebration, let's all participate in a greeting or salutation to peace.
The sun will rise and give us light, that we may see that peace is bright.
First, let's see what some Year 6 students have to say about peace and me.
Peace wanted. Make love, not war. What is peace? Peace is no arguing, no war, or no violence. Peace is always having a smile on your face and helping the others to have one on their.
Do we have peace ever? No, we don't have peace ever, but in most countries we do. For example, in the Netherlands we do have peace, but in Afghanistan we don't because there is a big war. That's why we have the Peace Day and why some people are flying to other countries to make peace.
How can we be peaceful? To be peaceful, first of all, we need to forget totally about violence. No shouting, no arguing, no fighting. We need to be kind and helpful with everybody. If you're peaceful with everybody, everybody will be peaceful to you.
Let's now hear some words for peace in different languages.
England, peace. Italy, pace. The Netherlands, vrede. Israel, shalom. Portugal, paz. Norway, vrede. Thailand, synopsis. Turkey, Paris. China, Blackpink. Japan, Heiwa. Hungary, Baker. Spain, Bath. Russia, Mir. Croatia, Mir. Germany, Jeden. Iran, Sol. Saudi Arabia,
Diaba.
Poland, pokój. Scotland, fish. France, pear.
Hello again. We hope you enjoyed the PowerPoint of Peace and Me and Word of Peace in different languages.
If we look at the diagram again, the next term is peace between people.
Have you ever thought about peace might look and sound between people?
Let's have a look at what Yosemir and Rega have to say about this area.
Hello and welcome to Peace Day. Today we are going to present a PowerPoint about peace between two people. I hope you enjoy. Peace between two people is when a person meets another person and they start being friends. It also means no fighting and no arguing in the playground. Remember, peace starts with you.
You, Year 6 students, have prepared a skit to demonstrate peace between people. We hope you enjoy.
I think if we do this, our world is going to get perfect.
No, it's not a good idea. Ow, why did you do that?
What's going on over here? We can't agree on what we should make.
Maybe we should call the peacemaker. Hello, is this peacemaker?
Yes, this is. What's going on there?
Doctor Who and Doc What can't decide on what kind of robot they want.
Okay, I'll be right there. So, what seems to be the problem?
We can't agree on what we should make. And please tell to Dr.
But
that my idea is the best.
why don't you use both ideas and make a cool robot? Yay!
I'm Dr. Logic. Can I help you?
Yes, sure. Start the connection in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I saw the story.
Stop it!
I'm a peace robot. I can help you with whatever you want.
Can you give me a cup of coffee? Because I haven't slept all morning. I wake up very early and my coffee machine broke. Everybody could be peacemaker. Just help people and try to solve the problem.
As you have already seen, Peace and Me was about who and what. Peace between people was about how. The next area, Peace in the School, is about where.
Let's now watch a brief PowerPoint to introduce peace in the school.
Peace in the school.
Stop the violence. Don't hit, kick, or bite. Be kind and helpful to each other. Be aware of what you are doing because you might do something wrong. Make sure that you talk about problems and apologize if you do something wrong.
What can we do? We can help people by telling them the violence is not a way to solve problems. We can help the students by inviting them to join our games. We can help our teachers by listening to them so they don't get angry.
If you want peace, stop fighting. If you want peace of mind, stop fighting with your thoughts. Do not let the behaviors of others destroy your inner peace. Thank you.
Now I'd like a few of my classmates to come and present a video they've made.
Hello, parents. We are the video group. And we are going to show you
Our peace video.
Hope you enjoy.
Hola, me llamo Ángela, he nacido en España y estoy en la clase año 6B.
שלום, אני שקד, אני מישראל ואני מירששסי.
Olá, meu nome é Índia, venho de Portugal e estou na sala 6B.
Hi, my name is Kavya. My class is year 6C and I come from Indian America.
สวัสดีค่ะ หนูชื่อจูเลียต หนูอยู่ป .6A แล้วหนูมาจากเมืองไทยค่ะ
Hello, my name is Hannah from England and Scotland and my class is 6C.
My name is India from 6B. I'm from Portugal and I'm going now interview. My name is Nori. I come from Italy and I'm in 6C. What peace mean to you? Peace means for me make a friend and then do something wrong.
What is peace?
It's harmony, quiet, love.
No, it's okay. Three things you know about peace.
Well, you have to be kind and helpful to each other, no starting fights or arguments, and trying to make it like spread around you so everybody's peace.
What is peace?
No war.
And what is peace?
It's people making friends and living together.
Okay. What is peace?
Love, making friends, friendship.
What is peace to you?
Peace is love, nature, and a wonderful word.
What's peace?
It's being kind and helpful.
What is peace?
Being nice to people and being kind. What is peace to you?
Peace to me is the idea that all human beings disagree and potentially, have ideas where one idea is different to another idea. But the idea to me is peace is that instead of allowing those conflicts or those differences to escalate into violence, to build up into violence, that people work out how to deal with those in a fair and equitable way, and that they listen to what other people want and need, and that they show empathy. So, for example, even if I disagree with someone, or if I'm a different religion to them, or if I don't really agree with what they're saying, that I really try and put myself in their situation and really feel like I can feel for them, and that together we can come to a nice solution. And that's for like really little things and really little problems, like in a family or something, but also really big ones in terms of, within the world, so that people don't actually fight.
Hi, my name's Peter. I'm the head of school, and I'm from Canada.
Okay, so what do you know about Nelson Mandela? Because we all know that Nelson Mandela played a big part in peace.
Yes, Nelson Mandela, for someone of my age, is a hero, because Nelson Mandela was someone who opposed apartheid in South Africa, which was a political system where they separated people based on their race and ethnicity. And in particular, they moved the people of color into settlements and kept South Africa for the white people. So, for example, in politics, only the whites were allowed to vote for their government. So it was an incredibly racist and segregating policy in South Africa. And Nelson Mandela opposed that, and as a result, he was put in jail because they were afraid that he was such a powerful leader that he would lead a revolution in South Africa against apartheid.
So, what's the part from Nelson Mandela lead the UWC?
Well, as you know, the mission of UWC is to use education as a force to unite people, nations, and cultures for peace and a sustainable future. That's something Nelson Mandela really believed in. His children went to the UWC that's now in Swaziland, Waterford Kamlaba, which was the first school in Southern Africa that was multiracial, so it allowed children from different ethnicities to go to the school, and that's where Nelson Mandela's children and his grandchildren went to school.
As you know, at UWC we want to spread peace around the world.
Can you already guess what the next area is? Correct, we are going to talk about peace in the world.
In this last PowerPoint, our classmates are going to talk about this area.
World peace.
Is there peace in the world?
The answer is no. What is world peace? World peace is no war, no fight, being kind to everyone.
How can we help? We can start world peace in our school by being kind to everyone.
Peace cycle. The peace cycle starts with peace in us and goes to peace between class, peace in school, peace in country, peace in world. Here's a quote. Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding.
Please listen to a few Year 6 students read peace poem in different languages.
Good morning, everyone. We're going to show you today this poem in different languages. So we have, I think, 5 different languages. We're going to start with English. Peace is like a flower growing bigger and bigger. And when it reaches the sky, it says hello and goodbye. Peace is in the world, and we keep it that way.
平和の日、平和は花みたいに広がり、青々と揺らがる空へ鳥たち挨拶を交わす。私たちには平和を守らないといけない使命が託されている。
A béke olyan, mint egy virág, nő és nő, mikor eléri az eget, azt mondja, hello és viszlát, béke a világon, és ezt mi megtartjuk örökre.
Pokój jest jak kwiat, który rośnie i rośnie, a gdy dostaje się do nieba, mówi do widzenia, ale nadal istnieje, dopóki radość w nas panuje.
La pace è come un fiore che cresce più grande e più grande. Quando arriva al cielo dice ciao e ciao ciao. Piace nel mondo e noi lo teneremo così.
La paix est comme une fleur qui se développe et grandit quand elle arrive au ciel. Elle dit au revoir et bonjour, ondulé et au revoir, sale, et nous allons continuer à tousser.
What beautiful poems for peace. Year 6 has also made a wishing well and a wishing wall for you to try this 2 weeks. The last group will explain how to make your wishes for peace.
Hello everyone. Our group has made a wishing wall and a wishing well. The wishing well will be outside of your 6 classrooms for 2 weeks, and it's for you to throw your peace wishes into. We will leave papers and pens there for you. You may write your wishes in any language you want. Martin and Claudia will now demonstrate.
You take a piece of paper, you write your wish. My wish is that everybody is free in the world. Then you fold it up, you fold it over your shoulder and try to find it.
Noi stiamo facendo questa cosa per la pace, perché nel mondo c'è la guerra e per questo molte persone muoiono e noi non facciamo niente.
Each class will be given pieces of the wishing wall today. Please write your peace wishes on them and we will collect the puzzle pieces on Friday. Your wishes will be made into a wishing wall and will be displayed in the computer room. We hope you enjoy writing your wishes for peace.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you everyone for participating in this lovely assembly. We would like to thank you for listening and being so quiet.
Thank you very much for coming. Thank you. This was the assembly as Year 6 has organized it all by themselves, so I think they did a really good job. Thank you very much.